Today we learn regarding National Leprosy Eradication Program. Mahatma Gandhi says leprosy work is not merely medical relief, it is transforming frustration of life into joy of dedication, personal ambition into selfless service. Objectives. List the objectives of NLCP and NLEP. Enumerates the strategies of NLEP. Discuss MDT, explains the strategies of NLEP, states the organization of NLEP, describes the roles of key persons, enumerate the infrastructure. Is the institute involved in anti-leprosy activities? Discuss modified leprosy elimination campaign, explains NLEP action plan, strategies and indicators, describes the DPMR, listener's responsibility. Introduction. Chronic infectious disease caused by Mycobacterium leprae. It usually affects the skin and peripheral nerves. Long incubation period, generally 5 to 7 years. Classified as bacillary or multibacillary. Permanent disability. Timely diagnosis and treatment of cases. Background. Global registered prevalence 1,81,941 cases in the year 2012. National Leprosy Control Program in 1995. Multi-drug therapy came into its wide use from 1982. National Leprosy Eradication Program from 1983. National NHP 2002. Eliminated leprosy by 2005. Milestone in National Leprosy Eradication Program. 1948 Hindu Kush Nivaran Sangh. 1955 Government of India launched NLCP. 1983 launched NLEP and introduced MDT for treatment. 1991 WHO declared to eliminate leprosy at global level by 2000. Modified leprosy elimination campaign 1993 to 2000. World Bank supported NLEP. 2001 to 2004 World Bank supported NLEP second phase. 2005 National Program continues with Government of India funds. 2005 India achieved elimination of leprosy at national level December 2005. Sponsored by Central Government. Funding pattern Central Government, Ministry Department, DGHS. Beneficiaries individual and community. Eligibility criteria anyone. Declining leprosy prevalence in India. Elimination achieved in 32 out of 35 states and union territories. Objectives of NLCP 1955. Early case detection to provide domiciliary treatment to render infectious cases to non-infectious. Objectives of NLEP 1983 to detect all cases of leprosy irrespective of endemicity of the area, to treat all detected cases of leprosy and its complication till its cure or recovery, to impart training to all categories of health personnel, the attainment of leprosy-free status for the people of India. To recommend grant in aid to various voluntary agencies engaged in anti-leprosy work, to promote medico-surgical rehabilitation of the disease arrested, deformed cases, to encourage research on various aspects of leprosy. Strategies for NLEP: early case detection, short-term multi-drug therapy, health education and rehabilitation services. Multi-drug therapy, multibacillary, intensive phase lasting for 14 days. Rifampicin 600 mg daily supervised. Clofazimine 300 mg daily supervised. Dapsone 100 mg daily unsupervised. Continuation phase lasting for 2 or more years. Rifampicin 600 mg once a month supervised. Clofazimine 50 mg daily and 300 mg per month supervised. Dapsone 100 mg dose unsupervised. Ethionamide and proteonamide duration 2 years or until 2 consecutive skin smears are taken. Monthly interval become negative. The follow-up is done once in 6 months for 5 years.